Hello everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood Godzilla fan, Jurassic Zilla here, back at it again with another video. This video is going to be my vlog from G-Fest 2024. Now I will say, I didn't take as many videos and pictures because I was really just enjoying the whole thing the whole time. And also, my camera lens is broken. As you can see right now, yeah, I have a cracked camera lens and everything is blurry. So for G-Fest, I used the wide camera angle where things aren't as blurry. So for all the footage you see today, it'll all be in this wide camera angle because, yeah, everything's blurry with this one. My bad. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog nonetheless, and my next video that I'll probably be uploading tomorrow will be my haul of all the figures that I got from G-Fest. And I got some really great, amazing figures, and here's one of them right here, the Haya Godzilla 2019. But anyways, you'll see that in a future video, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Just your friendly neighborhood Godzilla fan.
Now it's submerged. Yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Subscribe to Jurassic Zilla. He's a great YouTuber.
Mountain.
wonderful, wonderful film. I love it, and it means a lot to me to know that you love it as well. I really, really value all your love and support and encouragement, because, you know, I was a nerd just like you. I'm kidding, I'm still a nerd just like you. So thanks for including me and welcoming me into your family, and enjoy the film. I love it, my son loves it, so hopefully you all love it as well.
And yeah, G-Fest this year was just as amazing as the last two G-Fests I went to. This year was just a lot of fun. G-Fest is just one of those things where it's exactly what you want as a Godzilla fan. And for those of you out there who weren't able to go, definitely look more into it. And even if you're not able to go until next year or 5 years from now or even 10 years from now, still try to go if you get the chance to, because it's definitely worth it. If I had to pick my favorite part from G-Fest this year, besides buying a whole bunch of Godzilla figures, it would definitely have to be meeting all of you guys who came up and said hi to me, meeting some amazing YouTubers, and the Godzilla x Kong audience reaction. Everyone was so hype in that theater, and it was just amazing. But that's all I'm going to talk about in this video. You guys already saw the footage. I don't want to be sitting up here talking for another 10 minutes. But yet again, another successful G-Fest year. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, have a great Godzilla day! And also stay tuned for my next video where I show off all of the figures that I got at G-Fest and do a little review of all of them. Here's a little sneak peek right here, they're just on the floor, but yeah.